As the chart begins to recover, the steepest part of the climb can be a useful interval to base a Fibonacci time zone on, and the same holds true for positioning Fibonacci speed resistance arcs. As the downtrend drops further, it makes contact with the number 2 Fibonacci time zone line, which is about the same time when the chart begins to significantly flatten, before heading towards a bullish retracement and the next arc, where it's a similar situation except in the context of flatter movement in the context of the chart rising towards established resistance ranges and flattening at the approximate time when contact is made with this most recent arc. Due to the significant halt to the uptrend, it can be useful to flip the arc to better fit the context of this developing downtrend, and given the neutral to bearish context, it's quite normal to see an acceleration to the downtrend at the approximate time contact is made with the number 3 line of the Fibonacci time zone. Then, as short-term support holds for another upswing, entering this range and contacting the next arc unsurprisingly leads to the beginning of more neutral to bearish movement. Now reaching the next vertical line of the Fibonacci time zone, there's at least a temporary delay to the drop, since this also intersects with the short-term support zone. With a clear downtrend continuation, there's a suitable opportunity to use the Fibonacci arcs with the full circles option checked. Positioning this will be based on a downtrend line based on downswing points. Since downswing points are so plentiful, there will be several options, but one of a shorter length closer to the bearish continuation area is preferred for more recent context and to have less spread between the circles. In this situation, since it's a downtrend, contact with the circles will highlight potential bullish retracement areas that will see upswings likely follow the curvature of the circles, or areas where the drop is delayed prior to more bearish continuations. Positioning can also be based on one upswing point and one downswing point, and this can also help identify areas of interest or help confirm those already identified, though this can have more varied results depending on which points are chosen compared to when just 2 downswing points are chosen.